Thank you for checking out my gig. My name is Sam and I am your new ghostwriter. I'm an experienced and versatile ghostwriter who has completed hundreds of projects for hundreds of customers. Purchasing an order is really simple. You click the project that you want, you complete the requirements questionnaire, and I'll deliver the project to you. You have a chance to request revisions if necessary, or if you're satisfied, you can accept the delivery and leave a rating to share your experience. You can place an order whenever you want and purchase any additional add-ons that you require. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message. Let's get to work.